Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CPRX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis on Tuesday, so that is where the green and red line annotations are coming from. And once again, higher highs, and that seemed kind of a case of deja vu here to think that I think I first started doing this video when it was still down below $3. That might be a lie, but point being, the first time I started doing the the technical analysis videos on this one, the price was down much lower, and this thing continues to work its way upwards. So definitely, once again, updates need to be made. First thing I'm going to do is just get rid of that line, some house cleaning. Sure, that level pertains, just not relevant right now. And from a presentation standpoint, I don't want to risk causing confusion because there's lines and clutter all over the place. So let's try to keep this as clean as possible. And first update, though, that does need to be made comes about based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So the ideal level of support now going forward right here at 525. I say ideal because it's not like if the price falls below there, that implies the entire chart's destroyed or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above there, that would definitely be a good sign of power going forward. However, as I've talked about in past videos and I'm going to continue to talk about, from the grand scheme of things, it's still all about that purple line there, the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So the best way and the most straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, this right here being defined as the move, just watch the purple line. As long as the price continues to stay above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 525 would be great, but from the big picture, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as where the sellers are at, pretty straightforward right now. The price tried several times to get up through that 560 range and couldn't quite do it. So that'll be that key hurdle that needs to be cleared going forward. All in all, though, any way you look at it, great movement. And as long as the price keeps on chipping away at those higher bases, just sit back and let the trend do its thing. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.